strictly sneaker unboxings. Alright, here we go. We got one box today. One box, one package, one unboxing, and two pairs in here. Two pairs. I got two pairs. So let's crack her open and see what we got today. This package is from, where is it from? If you guessed China, you're right. So that's where it's from today. It's China. So let's see. I do know, actually, I somewhat knew what was in here. But I also didn't know. That makes sense. One of these sneakers is for somebody. One of them is not. So the other one will be this Jordan 1. It will be for sale. So that's what that is. You'll see that one. Let's check them out. So the first box, Nike sportswear box. I haven't seen that in a while. Let's take a look. Open it. Ooh. You know, quick story on these. When these first release day, I ended up getting a pair. That's my story, and I sold them for, I don't know, $350. It's one of my first actual sellings. Let's just say that. So there it is, Nike Foamposite camo. Let's take a closer look. So Nike Foamposite Pro Camo. These came out mid 2000s already. Beautiful, beautiful shoes. And these are for someone, so these will not be for sale. But very nice, very nice. One of the better Foamposite Pros that have came out with the graphic designs. A lot of them are junkaroni. So our next one we're looking at is Jordan 1 what? What do you think it's going to be? Could be a whole bunch of cases. There we go. The Jordan 1 Midnight Metallic Navies. This is another one. When do you see this? These will be for sale. I have to inspect them first, and we'll list them at an appropriate price. But another one that, when do you ever see it? When do you ever see it? So Jordan 1 Metallic Navy. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Size 9. Once again, these will be for sale. So that's pretty much that. I mean, I got nothing else for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you do. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe. Costs you nothing. And you get more videos like this. Strictly Sneaker unboxings. We're out.